Me and my friends made a game in 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute, so here are the highlights of that. We never made a game in 5 minutes, let alone 1 minute, so this went great! Just kidding, it went horribly wrong.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, who's gonna count down?
I will count down.
Okay.
Alright,
yeah,
5. Do it from 5.
5-1.
Oh, okay. Visual Studio Code's asking me if I trust the authors of this folder. No, I don't. Alright. I'm basically done. Wait. Whoops, how do you pause this? Okay. It's done.
I did it. Yes.
Alright, do we want to stream...
Let's see if it
Wait, do we want to stream what our games look like?
works.
Yeah,
Yes,
I want to see
works.
it.
Alright, I'll do mine first.
God.
Alright. Let's do that.
It's buffering.
Oh, it's buffering?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it now.
I added a button for quitting the game. I don't know if this works, but when you click this, this should change the background color. Okay, it works.
Oh, yes.
It works. It's
Oh,
very
Nice.
epilepsy warning.
How did you do the color swapping?
You
I
wanna see
actually
it?
kind of want to know.
Hold on.
Yeah.
It's not so hard.
I did this.
I think.
It takes a random number between
Oh,
one.
I didn't know you could do that. Camera background coloring. Oh, I see.
Are you gonna be like noted?
Names noted.
Names noted. Alright, I'm just gonna start a completely new
No,
scene.
no. Show me that again. Show me that again.
What?
Wait, you're 3 seconds. You're almost 4 seconds over disqualified.
I screen.
I've saved my original idea.
Time for my game. Set
Oh, did you make a piano tiles game?
time. Yeah.
Cool.
5 minutes.
I'll do it.
Alright, 5.
I'll count.
I'll...
5, 3, 1,
Cool.
0.
What's going on?
I basically finished the clicker game.
I don't.
I think I'm just gonna pause mine now.
Okay. I failed with this one. I tried to go with the paint application.
Oh, you were trying to make a
Like, you
paint
can
thing?
click and it just spawns some.
Uh-huh.
Were you trying to make
That
a
will
paint thing?
Find
make
me bed.
yeah, but I kind of failed. It
Yeah,
it shows that it works.
Cool. You wanna see
I
my
know.
thing? It's not even a game. Thing. Alright, so do you see the button? Or is the stream buffering?
Buffering. Okay. Click me.
Ready for
Alright, so you see it?
Hmm.
It just, when you click on it, it shows you how many clicks.
Yeah.
It's not even a clicker game, it's just, you just click.
I mean that's a clicker game.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good point. Alright,
You could just have a button.
Now it was time to make the 1 minute game, and we completed on the first try. That was a total lie. But we have to delete everything
Okay.
before we
What if
restart.
Unity crashed?
If Unity crashes, that sucks for
What
you.
if Unity crashed? That way. No. No. Okay. When are we gonna start?
You can count down from 5 again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. I don't know what to do. To give feedback.
I failed. I failed.
Is 1 minute up?
Yeah, 1 minute's up.
I'm wasting so much time.
You're screwed. You were so screwed.
New script. Create an ad. Please.
Why does it keep on
Object
wanting me to
index
type get text? I don't want get text. I just wasted so much time. Come on. No, it's compiling.
Wait.
It's taking so long to compile.
I forget.
Don't.
I forget how to get a reference to text.
Oh, I failed.
Oh no.
I failed. It's over.
I completely failed because I had to import a package,
Oh,
and
no.
then Visual Studio was like, please wait, Visual Studio.
Oh no.
And I was like, why?
Oh.
Okay, let's try again.
How do I get a
Oh crap! I failed.
reference to
I think I've
text?
already failed. I think I've already failed.
using
No, I don't want to create a new scene.
GM Pro?
No.
How do I get a reference to text? I forget.
Where is this?
Public.
Oh, I failed.
Yeah.
I've already accepted defeat.
Text.
Yeah, I've already accepted defeat. I'm not even gonna try. I think a minute has passed.
I think I'm
It
gonna
did
do-
not work.
No.
No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. How do I reference text? Stack Overflow, where are you?
Come on. I have the thing. No, don't take.
The heck?
Text. Wait, no. I don't need
The
text.
heck?
I need a button. No, it's been a minute.
No,
Again.
so close.
No.
I was so close. No. We gotta do that
I
one
was
more
so-
time.
So close.
I did it!
I'm
I
gonna
got
do
it! I got it!
I did it. Yes.
I got it!
I did it.
I almost got
No,
it.
it doesn't work.
I almost
Wait,
got it.
I need to
almost
test it. I need to
No.
test it. I hope this works.
No, it didn't work.
Please.
No, what?
Holy
No.
crap.
Oh
No,
no,
no, I
it
forgot a
didn't
capital.
work.
Didn't work either.
No, it didn't.
My game. Can I show you my amazing game?
Yeah.
Yes. Hold on. Let me drag over Discord.
You finished it actually. Click for cookie.
Click for
And when you click it, oh, I forgot to wait, hang on, give me a second.
If it has an error, it doesn't. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
No,
You
no,
can
no,
reference
it's gonna
stuff.
work. It's gonna work. It's gonna
Okay.
work.
Okay.
What do you mean? Oh wait. Oh,
You can reference.
You don't have the text mesh pro. You don't have the...
Wait. Okay, now it's gonna work. Bamboozled.
Wait, my timer didn't start. Okay, now it did. I'm not getting the autocomplete. Why am I not getting the autocomplete? It's not giving me autocomplete. I failed. Cool. I'm just doing one letter script names.
To-
Alright, I got that in like record time. I don't know if I typed that out correctly. Alright, UI, button, canvas. This one's looking promising. Please. Button, on click, canvas. I did it!
I did it.
I did it!
I did it. 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 You did too.
I think I did. I hope I did. Alright, I see your stream.
That's all. You just press the button and it increases the number.
That's what I did too.
That's the script.
Oh, nice.
Ah,
Alright, you want me to show you mine?
yeah. It doesn't even have a text or something. Just on the button, the number is there.
Alright, I'm going to share the screen. Alright, so tell me when it loads.
It loaded.
Okay.
You didn't even place the button somewhere.
I didn't even have
in
time to
corner.
place the button. So it popped up right here and I was like, okay. So when you click it, it does the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Alright, do you want to see the script?
Imagine if someone would. Yeah, I guess.
This
I
is
think
the
it's gonna
script.
be
I
this-
didn't have time for script names.
My name was Click, but it remembered from the first try that it will name it Click and just spammed enter and it made the script.
Alright, so this
Um,
proves that making a game is possible in 1 minute, but it's not really a game.
It's a game.
I
Click
mean,
your
yeah.
game, but not polished. Not polished at all.
Yeah.
Just button. And then you press it and it increases.
Mm-hmm.
That's a clicker game, but without shop and stuff. Not stuff. Oh, that was fun.
That was fun. So, can you make a game in 1 minute? I mean, I guess? It definitely depends on the game, though. I chose a clicker game because it was the easiest to set up, but if I chose a platformer, that probably would have been impossible to make in a minute. So here's my word of advice. If you want to make a game in 1 minute, don't. Oh, and also subscribe.